Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Happy to have you here today. Let's take a deep breath before we get started. Hand on your heart. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a beeswax salve that has a special ingredient, cocoa butter from cacao, and I'm melting it on the stove, mixing in the ingredients, and then setting it in a tin. So follow along with me as I do these steps. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, check out my description down below. I have my link tree, which links to my Etsy shop and my advanced home herbalist course. Have a great day. What I'm doing right now is adding cacao butter to a saucepan, and I have had to scrape off about 1/4 of a cup. This butter is a little harder than I would like. I think it was on the shelf too long. It is usually easier to get out of the container. My daughter is helping me. But we're going to start with that. It smells like chocolate when you melt it. And then have these nice molded pieces of beeswax made by a friend, and we're going to melt 3 of them. It's about 1 ounce with the cocoa butter, and the cocoa butter melts much faster than the beeswax. And this is the oil that I previously prepared. It's rose and calendula, olive, jojoba, sweet almond, and a little castor oil. And I infused the rose and calendula petals. I left a little bit of rose at the bottom of the jar, but that's ready to go. So I'm adding, I have the beeswax and the cacao butter in a pan, and it's on super low heat. And I want to add my cup of infused oil, and I'm going to stir all of this together and have it melt. And in the meantime, it's very low temperature. I do not want to burn. I do not want to boil this. So just stirring and stirring. The beeswax is taking longer, but it's really less than, 10 minutes. It was more like 5 minutes until it all melted. And now I'm pouring the melted mixture into some tins, and I have a really super hard, sturdy Tupperware. Everything is hot and liquid, and what I want to do is let it set and cool. So you can see the smallest tin has pretty much set. That tin is starting to around the edges, and the larger container has not set at all yet. But this is a delicious balm ready to go. Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Before you leave the channel, make sure you check out my description down below. I have my link tree, and in there is my Etsy shop where I list my art. I have my advanced home herbalist course. It's a 10-month course that ends in certificate. You have to submit homework to me each month, and we have an ongoing dialogue through email. And then I also have some of my herbal digital documents. I have a tea book, and I have some articles I've written, as well as my rug hookings. So go over and check out my Etsy shop. You can also see more about me there in my link tree, my website. And contributing to this channel is a very sure way to help me be able to make more videos, because at this point it's a labor of love. But I appreciate all of you who come here, like, subscribe, leave comments. I'm trying to build a community, want to have some ongoing dialogue with those that come and visit this channel. Bye for now.